sentir. So I'm getting ready to, oh my god, I look hella fodonga. But I'm getting ready to work out legs. Start a week 4. The Slim Thick Guide by Darihana Nova. So let's get it. As you could tell here, I'm flexing and showing you guys what I don't have. But obviously I'm also showing you guys how my body looks week 4, comparing it to week 1, week 2, and week 3.
I've got a cold heart, cold hands. I make you wanna be where I am. And if you only knew my plans, yeah, if you only knew who I am. Normally I'd break your heart, I'd love every minute, tear you apart. Late at night I lie awake, just thinking about your pretty face. I've got a cold heart, cold hands. I make you wanna be where I am. And if you only knew my plans, yeah, if you only knew who I am. Normally I'd break your heart, I'd love every minute, tear you apart. Late at night I lie awake, just thinking about your pretty face. Gotta go hard, when I wish it, I'll never leave you on the wire. So let me touch your fire. Well, I'm cold, sick, and I'm tired. Oh no. So let me touch your fire.
I feel like I look terrible. Oh my god, estoy bien ciega. So my dog is hella clingy all day today. Like, I have no idea why. Like, I don't know what's up with him. I mean, I know he gets like terrible like anxiety or no, like he gets really bad seizures. So like, I don't know if he's gonna get one today, because he's like super, like, that's how I know that he's gonna get one, because he's like right after me, like non-stop. So like, I get mad at him because I'm like walking and he's in my way, like, and I'm about to step on him. Like, I'm about to step on him and he's still like right there, like he's right there just trying to move away. But it's like, dude, I'm not trying to get mad at you. And like, I'm not trying to step on you. Pero. Let me see if this helps. Oh, it's too bright. It's too bright. Oh, I love that it adjusts. Okay, so, I worked out, obviously, today. But I split it into two because I have a really bad migraine, like I mentioned previously. It's because I am clearly going through the pre-workout detox. Like, I decided to no longer drink pre-workout, and obviously that is affecting me a lot because the pre-workout on top of... Hey Siri, how many milligrams of caffeine does coffee have?
1 moment.
Oh my god.
Here's what I found from healthline.com. An average cup of coffee contains 95 milligrams of caffeine, but some types contain...
Okay, so let's say that I was drinking 95 milligrams of coffee every single day. And let me see how much caffeine the one pre-workout has. I have a really bad migraine right now. Okay, so it has 200 milligrams of caffeine. Oh, I was drinking what, 295 grams of caffeine, which I don't know if that's a lot, but to me, like right now, I just feel really like I have a really bad migraine to the point where like I just want to cry. I put on my glasses. That didn't help, apparently, because it just came back. I drank a coffee from Starbucks. I drank 4 shots of espresso. Nothing. And then I drank a 0 sugar Red Bull and still nothing. Then I drank Tylenol because I was like, the headache not go away. I feel like I have to crack my neck every 5 seconds and hurt myself for the headache to go away, but it does not go away. At this point, you guys, I clearly feel like I need to go get this piercing done for the migraines, because I'm telling you, it's really bad. I mean, I do struggle with migraines, but this is terrible. I need to wash my hair because it looks and feels dry. But today's workout sucked ass if I did not make myself clear, because I am going through, oh my god, this light is just too bright, making the headache worse. But yeah, the workout sucked. It's like obviously because of my caffeine detox, and especially because I started my diet properly to like this week on yesterday, Tuesday. So eso también on top of like the caffeine thing, it's not the business. But tomorrow is the wonderful shoulders and triceps. Then Friday is legs again, and then we're done with week 4 and we're done with the guide. I think I want to do the Ricky Bertugo's 12-week program, and I honestly feel like I'm gonna do it. Like, I'm gonna do it. You're supposed to rest like maybe day 5, day 6, day 7, it depends. But y'all know me, I'm gonna work out Monday through Friday and have Saturday and Sundays off, like always. It's 12 weeks. Oh my god. We'll get into that in another video. But shoulders and triceps, and Charlie is here. Yep, he's gonna get a seizure. I already know it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. guys. It's August 11. I am finalizing everything to upload this video right now, and honestly, I had a lot going on Friday, so I did not work out Friday. I didn't do it Saturday either. That is all for this week. We are done with week 4. We are done with the Darihana Nova's workout guide, the Slim Thick workout guide. Stay tuned for the what is that called? The review. I will be doing the review. I'll probably film it today, so if you guys see me with the same outfit for Saturday's video, you know, okay? I also I decided to change up my hair a little bit before I go and get it touched up in September. So yeah, expect that video Saturday. I will be doing a review about the guide if I recommend it for you guys, and this and what's gonna be going on and stuff. But yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna go about my channel, what workouts. I am in the process of making my own workout guide to follow for myself, and I will be posting that as well, like what workouts I will be doing for myself, how it is that I divide everything for the week. I always take Saturdays and Sundays off working out, so I will be doing the same with my own little workout guide that I will be doing for myself. And yeah, I'm very excited to see what it is that I will be using as my workout guide. I obviously will be taking workouts here and there from the workout guides that I do have for myself and cater for myself. Maybe do it less intense and this. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay tuned for that, and if you are new, I hope you guys do subscribe to my channel to keep up with me and everything that I will be posting in here in my channel. And yes, I hope you guys have a wonderful week.
Ryan Little.